What's going on, guys? Stoke Racing Repair here. In today's video, we're going to be putting the engine back into Alias, or at least getting close to putting the engine into Alias. I'm staying at my grandpa's this whole week, so we should be getting this car hopefully finished. So we got to get the engine in, pull out the dummy transmission, and then I got to pull in the 79 Camaro. Put a picture right here. We got to pull the transmission out of it and the transmission cooler because that belongs in this car. We had to borrow it because the other one messed up in the Camaro. So we got to get that car in here, pull that out, put the dummy transmission in the Camaro, and then get this car completely done. Progress we made is we bed lined the whole floor in this car, so should add a little bit of grip to it. We got to bolt in the transmission tunnel that we made for the car still. Basically just cleaning the stuff up. He also ran the big block for about 20 or so minutes. Ran good. Have a little bit of an oil leak on the oil pan that we're going to fix. And then we need to replace the rear freeze plugs on this because we haven't gotten around to that yet. But around idle, had about 30 PSI oil. I'd like to see that a little bit higher, but this thing, we didn't get it bored out or anything. We just kind of dingle ball honed it and threw it together. So I'm pretty happy with that. In other updates, I'm getting the LS ready for the engine stand. I got the manifolds that came with it put on. And I made this little block off plate for the EGR for now. Things I got to do. I did get the wiring harness ran on this. That's kind of a pain in the ass to do, but I got it. But things I gotta do is buy an adapter for the O2 sensors. This is a square plug, and this is that style. I may end up just getting new O2 sensors for the square, but I don't know, we'll see. And then I got to get adapters for EV1 to mini, I forget what it's called. I'll put a picture of it, what it's called. But got the wires all ran, and then we're gonna get this thing set up for the run stand. We're getting stuff done around here. I just haven't had enough stuff that I'm doing to actually record it. So hopefully this week I can get maybe a couple videos out to you guys. But let's see what we can get done today. First thing we're gonna tackle on this is welding up this crack we got in the motor mount. Look at these beautiful welds here. But we're gonna weld that crack up, and then I think I'm just gonna weld it kind of in the same spot. It's just a little weird looking right there. So I'm gonna weld it up, make it look halfway decent, and then we'll throw this motor in.
Well, we're trying to get the freeze plug out.
How are we gonna do that?
Well, we tried to screw, but it just pulled, so we're going to try to tap on the edge, get it to turn.
All right.
Not like hold on a minute. Let's see if you...
I think I'm bending the actual
That's
thing.
all right.
I know I'm not.
Just don't quite bang your hand up.
Did a little bit. Just pulled it. All right, after many tries, we got it out.
We destroyed it.
We gotta say to the people,
We had to destroy it. And boys and girls, never concrete your block.
don't do it unless you're running no water.
Show them what we did. That back in the day, that's what we did to strengthen the block that we put.
Nasty looking.
Not concrete, but block seal or block. Hard blocks, what it's called.
Ugh, it's nasty looking. We got it down though. Alright, got the 2 freeze plugs in the back. Alright guys, we got the motor set in Alias, so we're gonna call it a night there. Tomorrow we're gonna get headers and see how far we can get tomorrow, but I'll pick back up tomorrow, guys. Well, unfortunately guys, it's been about 2 days since I filmed that last part in the video, and I've been under the weather, so I haven't had any updates on the Nova. My grandpa went out there and he put the headers on it. Got the carburetor set on it, but I don't have any video of that. So hopefully here in the next week or so, we can get back on the Nova. So hopefully I'll feel better by then. I'm feeling a lot better now. I had to stay home from work yesterday, unfortunately. But I went to work today. I felt better. I just have a really runny nose and stuff. So I don't know what the sickness is, but it ain't fun. But I'm getting better. That's all that matters. So sorry for the kind of randomness of this video. I was hoping to make this video a lot longer than it was, but I need to get a video out. So hopefully I can continue this video on, but for right now I'll just show you the progress that we have on the Nova. Hopefully here soon we can get that Camaro in here, swap the transmission out of it, and then get this Nova running. So yeah, sorry for this kind of random video again, but thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll get some better content out for you guys here soon. Thanks, guys.